See you guys Thursday. Bye-bye. Yeah, I found out the whole thing, the Novus Clinic on the internet. The team were very responsive, very fast, and I liked the communication, you know. I agreed. It didn't take me that much time to decide I'm going to go with Novus Clinic. About the first day experience, but it was very fast. I never knew that so many people can work on one person and be so pleasant, 4 people. So I really liked that. I thought it's going to take longer, but I think it was around 2 hours, painless and very fast. And I enjoyed it, you know. So overall, I'm very happy with the whole experience, and thank you very much.